Hello, Las Vegas residents. We are Power Wash Las Vegas LLC. We specialize in hot water pressure washing. If your driveway is looking a little rough, give us a call. We'll come out, give you a free estimate, and get your driveway looking as good as it can get. The reason why we make these videos is to give you an idea what will be done at your property if you give us a call and we clean your driveway. If you have an HOA violation, we can get that removed and approved. Just take a moment, soak in the video you're watching, enjoy it, and give us a call. We'll get your driveway looking as good as it can get. If you have a paver driveway or a concrete driveway in Las Vegas, be sure to give us a call. We're the best in the business. Our number is 702-546-6127.